Why is it so hard to see information as money, even though you've seen just money as money for so long? Why is it why is it so hard for kids to put those two things together? Trey.
It's because, like, you sit in school all day and everything's boring and, like, it doesn't seem important. And then, like, why do I need to know how to do this? Or why do I need to know how to do this? Why do I have to read Tom Sawyer? How's this going to help me in life? But the money, like, you want to get to the money quick. You don't want to work hard, so you just want to get your money, like, get my money and go.
Okay, Precious?
Like, this is kind of what they both said. Like, people, they want fast money. Like, that's probably why most people end up being drug dealers, because it's easier to go out and sell some drugs and then sit in a classroom for however so long and wait. And if you just go and if you're a juggler, you can just make it really quickly. Nobody's ever told us this before. Nobody's told us that's what it means. So it's like a new formula. It's like a new way to do something.
So kids, they're sitting there, they're like, okay, so let's see, I got money in this hand and information in this hand. Mostly everyone's going to choose money because, you can go to the store and, you can count the bills, get this shirt and here's 20 bucks for the shirt, just saying. You can't go to the store and be like, okay, here's $20 worth of information and buy the shirt. You can't buy something with information. But then later on in life, you start collecting the information and you collect it. And then later on in life, you're going to take that information and you're going to be able to, like, cash it in and get a good job. So then you can have that money so you can go to that store and buy that shirt.